Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Charge the Airpods and open the case so they can enter pairing mode. On your Android, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and switch it on. With the case open, press and hold the small rear button for about 2 to 3 seconds until the LED blinks white. This forces the Airpods into discoverable mode, which Android needs because Airpods don't use Android's instant pairing. Once the white light flashes, move quickly to the next step and scan for new devices. Now pick your Airpods from the Bluetooth list on Android and tap pair. You'll see a short confirmation if connected. Make sure to accept prompts that grant media and call access so audio and mic work properly. If you want better audio, enable AAC or switch codecs in developer options. This may improve quality because Airpods prefer AAC over SBC. Also check the device's Bluetooth audio profile. Make sure media audio and call audio are both toggled on so music and phone calls route to the Airpods. Finish by testing music playback and placing a call to confirm mic and audio routing. Adjust the input device in the Bluetooth device settings if needed. For battery info or firmware hints, install a reputable Android app that reads Airpods battery levels. Also disable aggressive battery optimization for that app to keep updates flowing. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the Airpods. With the case open, hold the rear button for about 15 seconds until
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.